At 14, Megan Muncy hit 350 pounds and grew up seeing the world through the eyes of an obese child.
I felt like horrible about myself that I could even let myself get to that weight. I didn't have a lot of energy. I really didn't want to go out and do anything with my friends.
And her health was a mess. Just a teen facing health problems of someone decades older.
I was pre-diabetic, and there's a history of high blood pressure and high cholesterol that runs in my family.
She tried all kinds of diets but couldn't take off the pounds, then made a drastic decision to have gastric bypass surgery.
We limit the size of the stomach to about the size of my fist. We actually bypass about 30% of the small intestine, and that's really where you absorb all of your calories and nutrients.
A smaller stomach, and patients feel full faster and eat less, losing about a pound a day. These weight loss surgeries have been big with adults and now are really gaining steam with kids. At Nationwide Children's Hospital, they're doing 30 bariatric surgeries a year on teens.
They're just kids, they're teenagers. Is it safe?
You know, these operations turn out to be very safe. Adolescent bariatric surgery is actually as safe, if not safer, in this age group.
Patients must be at least 100 pounds overweight and on a medically supervised diet for 6 months before surgery.
I want to give back, I guess.
Megan has lost almost 150 pounds and wants to lose 25 more. She's no longer pre-diabetic and her cholesterol and blood pressure are back to normal. She says she has more energy, is happier, and watches her diet.
I can't really have sugar, and if I do, it has to be a very, very, very small amount of it. And then I can't have high-fat foods, and so I can't have fried foods and fast food and stuff like that.
This is an extreme surgery, an extreme way to lose weight. Do you have any regrets?
Not really.